National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a tornado warning for East Central Calhoun County in central South Carolina, West Central Clarendon County in central South Carolina, Southwestern Sumter County in central South Carolina, Southeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near St. Matthews, or 15 miles northeast of Brookdale, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected. Tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. At 5 p.m., train spotter reported a funnel cloud northeast of St. Matthews. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near points at State Park around 5:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sumter and Millwood around 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Wedgwood, King Savannah, Pinewood, Fort Mott, Paxville, Lakewood, and Privateer.